What's really going on? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're looking at Cardano price action making its way downward here. We have this interaction with the 0.618 Fibba zucchini line. $1.92 is this bullish area of potential support here for us. This is the kind of area I was suggesting upon interaction with resistance present at $2.18 in my opinion, as price action was making its way kind of downward here, opening and closing below this key level here, confirming it as potential resistance. I was suggesting this break downward. I am bullish on support found at $1.92. I very much suspect the buy pressure can come into play. However, I do believe there is a rather slightly bearish lower low relative to these kind of swings here. We have the 27th of October printing a lower low relative to the 21st of September and the kind of 18th of August here. So those were the two bullish interactions that we had off of $1.92. Very recently we have broken much lower, so that may suggest perhaps continued downside. If we were to fail to hold this $1.92 level, we do have a bullish area of support waiting for us all the way down at $1.57. In my opinion, that was going to be support for us and a bullish area of accumulation that we may interact with before the uptrend can continue. Overall, I do believe I am bullish on Cardano still in the long term. I do believe we're just making our way towards support here. Once we have found support and buy pressure has come back into play, once we see some robo advisors bullish on price action, we can then start comfortably accumulating with anticipated upside. And so as we can see, all three of our chosen robo advisors are currently bearish on price action. I mean, we've already seen some tremendous gains on Cardano ever since this bullish area of accumulation at $1.28 at the end of July. We have the buy 2 and buy 4 confirming bullish upside, and then over the following 37 days we experienced up to 142% in gains, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $24,000 just by sitting around looking at it. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, you still were able to capitalize on 86% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And as we can see, since those sell signals came into play, we have experienced to have downside, technically now recently, up to 23% in downside, and still anticipating perhaps continued downside as we look for a more bullish area of accumulation and interaction with support. I'm always looking for these technical key confirmations of waiting for some robo advisors to become bullish on price action. Daily candles opening and closing above $1.92 would confirm that level as support. However, I do believe a more significant level of support is waiting for us at $1.57. Currently that level is correlating with the 0.5 Fibba Bugatti line, so we do have support all the way down there for us. I'm also watching out for this resistance overhead still, $2.18. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. What are you doing with Cardano at current levels? Now TLM against USDT, Alien World coin, price action interacting with these key levels. We see some bullish robo advisors come into play on the 30th of October with this daily candle close. We see the buy 4 moon and golden cross robo suggestion come into play, suggesting some very bullish upside. We also have interaction with what appears to be support. In my opinion, 28 cents is going to be the key level. I am looking for confirmation of support. I'm looking for daily candles opening and closing above 28 cents to confirm that as a bullish area of accumulation. And once support has been confirmed, I do believe we are making our way up to my immediate short-term target of 57 cents per TLM coin, an easy 105% in gains if you buy at my support and sell at my resistance. We now have some, as I mentioned, we have those robo signals coming in play as well, so we may see some continued upside through resistance to some even higher targets here. However, I'm always looking for these interactions with these key levels here, so I'm looking for continued confirmation of support at 28 cents. I'm watching out for resistance at 58 cents. Once we have broken that level and confirmed it as support, we can perhaps continue to accumulate with anticipated upside if these robo buy signals remain. Let me know down below what you're doing with TLM at current levels. Now DO against USDT Dodo coin, price action interacting with key levels. We have some support and resistance to identify. We do have some bullish robo advisors in play ever since the 15th of October here. We have all three of our chosen robo advisors is bullish on price action through this phase of sideways here. Currently price action interacting above support. In my opinion, I'm looking for $1.69 to be confirmed as support moving forward. Daily candles opening and closing above that key level would confirm that area as a bullish area of accumulation. Once support has been found, I do believe we're making our way up to my immediate short-term target. $2.80, in my opinion, is going to be resistance overhead for us. Once we've broken that level, confirmed it as support, we can use it as a bullish area of accumulation. I'm always waiting for these confirmations. We have EngineeringRobo bullish on price action, so I do believe upside is to be expected. Now, EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so once 2 of your chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish or bearish on price action, you can use that as a confirmation of accumulation or take profit. And at the moment, all 3 of our chosen robo advisors are bullish on price action. We're interacting above support. At the moment, we are very bullish on a continued upside. I do believe resistance is overhead at my target, $2.80. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Quick update on Engine Coin, ENJ, against USDT. We have an update on price action after, breaking my resistance, $2.18. We have a daily candle opening and closing above that support line, suggesting continued upside, and support has been found. We have currently interacted with my immediate short-term target of $3.10, my resistance level. I am now waiting for this to be confirmed at support to expect continued upside here. We are approaching our kind of last areas of resistance here. I do believe once this kind of key level is confirmed as support, or once support is found, wherever that may be, we can see some continued upside here. We have seen some very bullish gains ever since the bullish area of accumulation presented itself here for us. We have all 3 of our chosen robo advisors becoming bullish on price action at the beginning of October, around $1.68 per Engine coin. And then, as we can see, over the following 26 days, we have experienced up to 106% in gains, easily more than doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals, and you're currently sitting on 90% in gains at current levels with price action, attempting to interact above support. If daily candles confirm $3.14 as support, we can use that as a bullish area of accumulation and anticipate continued upside. We're waiting for sell signals to come into play to suggest, perhaps some bearish price action. At the moment, we're still bullish on continued upside. I'm just waiting for support. Now, Ethereum price action interacting with these key levels here, still $4,375 per Ethereum, in my opinion, is still resistance at the moment. Until we have daily candles opening and closing above that key level, that is still going to be resistance. And so at the moment, I anticipate perhaps another short-term interaction downward here. At the moment, price action currently interacting with what appears to be resistance. We do have support for us all the way down at $4,203 per Ethereum. That is still going to be support present here for us, and if we fail to hold that level, we have a very bullish area of accumulation waiting for us all the way down at $3,922 per Ethereum. So we're just interacting with these key levels here. We have EngineeringRobo buy signals bullish since the beginning of October. We're very bullish on price action. I do believe it's very hard to be bearish currently. Any sort of sideways or short-term downside we experience is going to be very bullish for the uptrend overall. In my opinion, I do believe Ethereum is very much going to interact with the $6,000 level in the next kind of weeks to coming months here. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. I am waiting for a break of these kind of final key levels of resistance before we are set to make some very euphoric gains. I'm always waiting for confirmations. Let me know down below what you're doing with Ethereum at current levels. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently in this phase of sideways. We have a consolidation accumulation after all-time highs were created on the 20th of October here. Price action has returned back into local levels, interacting with support. We have a bullish area of accumulation at my support line. $58,800 per Bitcoin is still support for us moving forward. We have a very bullish quick interaction with it on the 27th and 28th of October there. I do believe, as I mentioned, this is still support here for us. So if we do have, another interaction downward, another opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin below 60K, I do believe my support line would be a bullish area of accumulation until we have confirmed it as resistance, and that would be daily candles opening and closing below that key level. So I'm always was waiting for these technical confirmations. We're bullish on price action with EngineeringRobo buy signals in play. 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors are still bullish on price action. We do have a sell 2 present, suggesting some perhaps immediate short-term sideways or interaction downward, which is why I suspect we may get another brief opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin under 60K moving forward. However, as I mentioned, support is still 58.8. Watching out for resistance overhead. $64,700 per Bitcoin is going to be resistance that we need to perhaps open and close above to confirm as support. There's always going to be these key levels. I'm bullish on continued upside once support has been found. I am expecting a $130,000 Bitcoin sooner than people may expect. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the direction of Bitcoin. Are we headed to the moon or straight to zero? Let me know where you think price action is headed down in the comment section. Let me know what coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.